We're going to turn your album art into a visual anthem, showcasing your music's heart through a killer drum kit cover in Photoshop. Start in Photoshop by creating a new document. Use 3000 by 3000 pixels for a high-quality, print-ready canvas, then name it and click Create. Now, let's get your drum kit image in place. Go to File, then Place Embedded. Choose your high-resolution drum kit image and drag the corners to adjust the size and position. Next, add some text to make your album shine. Select the Type tool, click on the image and type your band name or album title. Use a bold font and experiment with size and color. Now, let's add effects to your text in the Layers panel. Right-click your text layer and choose Blending options here. Add effects like a drop shadow or a glow to make it visually appealing. Lastly, save and share your creation. Go to File, Export, and export as. Choose JPEG or PNG. Adjusting the quality, you now have a stunning drum kit cover, ready to launch your music.